All right, beautiful. Yeah, it's about 40 degrees out, and now have the right alternator. So let's get this in. All right. What's the now? It's 40 degrees out here. Why am I in the dark? There we go. Get some light on the subject. All right, this is a new alternator. The other one said it was actually a Windstar, and this one's actually got O2, the 4.2 liter. So it's got everything I need. It's got I gotta pop that one off, and the other one will go. See the other one, same thing. So awesome. I'm gonna keep this running. Sit like this. No, I'll keep everything running here. Now I gotta pull the connector here. The other connector. Next. Put it down in there. Gravity help you out here. My hanger now. Now, light. Let's see. First thing I gotta get my cable back on. Cables on. You don't have a short ratchet set or a short ratchet. I want to give them. Fantastic. Small areas. Get your boot, take the boot, make sure you get the boot back on there. Okay, I'll boot back on. Spin this just a little bit. So get the little cannon plug back on there. push. All right, locked in. Very nice. All right. Now, we'll pick that up. Like that. All right. Bolts. Start with that one. Let's see better. Top and the rest of them will just roll. Free bolt down below here. It'll be difficult. Come on. Get in there. All right, here we go. All right, we'll get it all back together, and this is how you tell whether you got a good alternator or not. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. Okay. Okay, your amp meter is coming up a little above 14. That's awesome. Kind of noisy, ain't it? All right. Now this is what you want to do is you want to disconnect your power source to the battery. And like you saw in the first video, when I did this, it shut down. So this is how you tell if you have a good alternator. Your headlights are gonna flicker a little bit because you're taking it off the battery. Now if you got a good alternator, she's not gonna shut down. All right, as you can see, I got that part from it. And we're in good shape. That's how you tell whether you got a bad alternator or not. Plug it back up. All right. All right. Success. The next challenge on that's going to be that fan assembly making all that noise, which means it sounds like the water pump. That will be fun.